Hi everyone, welcome back. We're here today and we're just doing a planner setup. So I'm just putting in the last pages, which technically I just finished planning. And then I'm realizing now, just double checking what pages need to go in here before I do it. It takes me a little bit to get it figured out because it's in advance and I just want to make sure that it's done right, not done for right now. So we're just figuring out what pages need to get added here, and what pages need to come out because we are done with that month. We don't need those. That's from my faith section. We'll take those out, put them in the planner, and I also don't need the catch-all section, I guess, the daily life. I don't know. And so we'll add both of those to the old planner, the finished pieces, and then again just checking that we have all the right pages in the right order, and take out faith section, which the monthly I already have kind of filled out what verses we're doing for that month. It's with my church, their reading plan, and then adding that to the back of the monthly or the faith planner in the correct order of the next month, and then also add a section for my catch-all section. And I've been adding a third section, which is just tracking whatever I want. Sometimes it's fitness, sometimes it's nutrition, just whatever I want. Sometimes it's nothing. I put that in this section behind the section for the current month there's last month, the current month, and then the next month. So we're adding in the next month, taking out last month, but we still have the current months in, so that's what's happening. And then we have a catch-all section, which is in gray, and we'll add that to the back of the catch-all section of the current month. And then put all of these planners back, and that's really all I got. So if you like the video, hit the like button. If you want to see more, hit the subscribe button. That's all I got. Thanks. Bye.